Creating engaging YouTube titles is more than just a creative task. It's a strategic necessity. A compelling title can significantly boost your video's performance, accounting for up to 64% of its success. Understanding YouTube's algorithm is crucial. Titles should include relevant keywords to enhance visibility. Balance these with readability to ensure your titles are both search engine friendly and appealing to viewers. Start with effective keyword research. Utilize YouTube's autocomplete feature and tools like Google Keyword Planner to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. Integrate these naturally into your titles for maximum impact. Capture attention with emotional trigger words. Use curiosity, urgency, and excitement to entice viewers. Words like discover or limited time can significantly increase click-through rates. Leverage curiosity gaps by offering just enough information to intrigue but not satisfy. This technique compels viewers to click and learn more, tapping into their natural desire for closure. Numerical titles like 5 Tips for Success promise structured value, drawing viewers in. Ensure each list item delivers real value, balancing excitement with authenticity to maintain trust. Avoid clickbait and continuously test your titles. Use YouTube analytics to measure effectiveness and refine your approach based on data insights. Revamp your titles with these strategies for better engagement.